when you have a YouTube video, so this is a YouTube video right here. In the bottom of your description, you put in the link. And that with that link, what you do is you send them, most of the people are sending them to somebody else's offer. Now, somebody else's offer, this is the page that you're sending them to. You don't have no control over that page. So when they leave and they go over here, you'll never get them back again unless they come back and watch your YouTube video, and you don't know if they'll ever come back and watch your YouTube video again. So what you do, instead of sending them directly to this, okay, what you do, instead of sending them directly to this, you send them to your domain, name, email. They put in their name and email, your autoresponder automatically kicks them to that same page that you were sending them to. You were sending them like this. The only thing you did was turn around and put your own domain in the middle. So you sent them to you. This is you. You send them to you, and then you send them here. That way, once they join that email list, you can send them different emails of different offers. So now you got control, and you can make different money with different offers, not just that one. So you can turn around and say, they didn't buy this, but they joined my email list, so that obviously they interested in something. So now I'm gonna send them an email the day after they join my list. And then after that, I'm gonna send them another email and send them somewhere else. And then I'm gonna send them a third email, and I'm gonna send them back to my YouTube video so they can watch something else. That's how you build relationships with the people, because if they don't take action on the first time, then you want them to continue coming at least to your YouTube videos so that you can start building that relationship so they can know, like, and trust you. And then they'll be more apt to take your recommendations. This is your recommendation. These are your recommendations, but you need to get them here first. Does that make sense? Does it make sense? So, does that make more sense than just sending somebody straight to an offer? When you want to connect with multiple offers, does that make more sense? Talk to me. Let me know. So this is how you grow. Instead of doing it the wrong way, it's the right way in a concept, but it doesn't allow you to make the most amount that you can make, because you're sending your traffic that you're generating from your YouTube videos and all your hard work, you're sending them directly to somebody else and depending on somebody else to close the deal. Somebody else may close the deal, but you want to capture the lead in case they don't. It's not that they won't close the deal, but you want to make sure that you capture the lead. What if they don't close the deal? You want to capture the lead to get them back to the deal to see if they can close it another time, or you want to continue to capture all your leads, because once you get 1,000 leads on your list, Let's go for 1,000. You might not make $1 until you get 1,000 leads on your list. $1 per month per subscriber is the average rate of what emails are. That's the reason why you want to capture your leads, because if you can get about, it don't start adding up until you get about 1,000, because right now you're just building up and you're putting out YouTube videos and getting content. But when you get 1,000 leads, you should be somewhere or around 500 to 1,000 a month. When you get 10,000 leads, now this is not guaranteed, nothing is guaranteed. But when you get 10,000 of the right leads, when you're putting out your YouTube videos and you start driving people to your site and they start signing up, when you get 10,000 leads, you should be able to make about 5 to 10,000 a month, but you have to have the leads. You can't just be creating videos and sending people to other people. You have to create the videos and send people to your site, capture the lead so that you can start counting how many leads you got, and keep on building and building and building your leads until you get to about 1,000 leads. You want to go for 10,000 leads, but when you get about 1,000 leads, you should start being able to type up an email, send it out, and offer it. Somebody's going to buy. So you might make $100 in a day. Once you send the email out and you offer something that costs $85, you might make $40 in a day. And then you keep on building your email list, and then you email these offers that relate to what they signed up for. When they came into your video, every page that you send them to needs to relate to the video that you put out. So you need to make sure that your content on your YouTube is congruent with the offers that you put out on the back end. If you want to put out financial videos, you have to have financial offers. You don't want to do financial videos and weight loss offers. It have to make sense. So you connect yourself with different clickbait products, 3 to 4, 5, however many you can. And then you have those. Okay, this is a good one. This is a good one. I'm going to mail this one on day 1. I'm going to mail this one on day 3. I'm going to mail this one. And so you have different ones to rotate. And if they don't buy, you send another email and send them back to your YouTube channel, because by this time you got another YouTube video coming out. And that's how you build up your trust and your brand online, and you start really getting into some type of money. Can't say how much, we don't know. Can't say if you'll make a dime, we don't know. But this is more of the better strategy to start generating more leads and being able to convert them into sales. If you understood it, just let me know if you understand that concept. We have tools that you can use to make your life a lot easier, to make your website, to have your squeeze pages, to have your email autoresponders. Now, you still have to do the work and set it all up, but the tools that we have makes your life a lot easier. Even for posting your ads on the internet, you can start your own social media agency and start posting for other companies. It's a lot of things you can do when you have the appropriate tools and you know how to use your tools. So if you want to learn more, I want you to go to workwithray.com. It's scrolling across the screen right now, workwithray.com. You see what I'm doing? I'm taking you from YouTube to my site. And on that site, I'm going to teach you what to look for when you look for offers. When you look for offers to promote, it's a certain thing you need to look for if you want to make the most out of what you can make. So go to workwithray.com. It's in the description and it's across the screen. You see how I'm doing? I'm telling you to go to this website. It's nobody else's website. It's my website, Work with Ray. Then when you sign up, I have your email address. I'm not going to email you every day because I don't have email set up for every day, but I'll be able to email you when I'm going live again. I'll be able to email you when I have more tips, and I'll be able to email you and tell you about the software that you need in order to grow your own business, especially if you're doing marketing for other companies, which is another stream of income. Those type of things, you need certain tools in order to do that. So when you have those tools, you open yourself up to make more money. If you understood everything, let me know. And then go to workwithray.com. You can type the words on the screen or you can click the link in the description. because a lot of people are making this mistake and they don't know it, but it's the free route. Everything free is not going to convert as if you as good as if you invested in your tools and got everything set up the right way. When I was doing it, I wasn't doing it the free way, but I was doing it the low cost way, and I was doing it as cheap as I could, but I was missing some steps because I didn't have everything set up. I didn't have everything in place. So the more you get in place, the more money you can make because you already got everything set up and you know what tools, certain tools help you save time and it helps you work more efficiently and everything like that. So you need the certain tools in order to make more money. So I'm going to leave on that note. That's all I wanted to say, guys. I want you to have a great day and make it a great one. Have a good one.